Hello, and welcome to this introduction of the HDR-CAT series of HDMI to HDBaseT distribution amplifiers and associated receiver. AT-HDR-CATs are distribution amplifiers that have a single HDMI input and route that source to multiple HDBaseT outputs. This new series outputs 4K UHD video at 60 Hz with 444 chroma sampling, plus support for HDR formats using visually lossless compression. The distribution amplifiers and their companion receiver can transmit 4K HDR up to 130 feet or 40 meters, or 1080p up to 230 feet or 70 meters. Now let's meet some members of the family. The HDR-CAT2 has one HDMI input and two HDBaseT outputs. The HDR-CAT4 has one HDMI input and four HDBaseT outputs. The HDR-CAT8 has one HDMI input and eight HDBaseT outputs. The HDR-EX70CRX is the companion receiver for the HDBaseT outputs of the HDR-CAT series products. This new series supports 4K UHD at 60 Hz with 444 chroma sampling and HDR formats for a very high, pristine image quality. The HDBaseT output extends HDMI control signals and power up to 130 feet or 40 meters for 4K HDR, or 230 feet and 70 meters for 1080p. CEC display control sends display power on-off commands over HDBaseT using the power button, IP, or RS-232. The pass-through HDMI output supports a local monitor or cascades up to 8 units. HDMI audio is de-embedded to a balanced analog output with volume control for integration with a separate audio system. TCP/IP, RS-232, and IR for control of the distribution amplifier. Bidirectional extension of RS-232 and IR control for each output. LAN configuration with a web GUI or velocity integration. Local power supply also provides power to the receivers. Now, let's look at some key features of the HDR-EX70CRX receiver. Like the HDR-CATs, it is capable of 4K 60 444 chroma sampling and supports HDR10, HLG, and Dolby Vision. The HDBaseT input receives power, audio, video, and control from transmitters up to 230 feet or 70 meters away. It also supports bidirectional pass-through of RS-232 and IR control of the display. HDR-CAT distribution amplifiers are ideal for hospitality, commercial, and education applications that need long-distance signal extension of high-resolution AV content to multiple displays. This includes stores, restaurants, reception areas, manufacturing floors, lecture halls, and auditoriums. This diagram illustrates how the HDR-CAT8 accepts the HDMI source and routes it to 8 HDBaseT outputs, which carry 4K HDR content to AT-HDR-EX70CRX receivers at a distance of up to 130 feet or 40 meters. The receiver then provides the HDMI output to the connected display. The concept is similar to the HDR-CAT2 and 4 with a different number of outputs. For more information on the AT-HDR-CAT2, 4, or 8, and the AT-HDR-EX70CRX, you can go to www.atlona.com.